scanning this vehicle with the old Topdon. I've been loving this scan tool. Did go ahead and run a little report so I can save all the DTCs. I can print this out, show the customer. But we did have faults stored in the powertrain control module, the body control module, and the ABS. ABS is probably going to be because of those bad boys right there. But I do like using factory help techs when I can. So I am going to be using these faults. This does have the breakdowns as well, but I do like to go in and get factory information when I can. If this was not a Jaguar or Land Rover product, I would probably just use the database information from the scan tool. But we are seeing some CAN codes. Good to see what's going on. First, I'm going to start by clearing the DTCs and seeing what comes back. But we are going to share this or save this report, and I will let you know shortly what I find.